Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HD01. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson HD01 won't start at all, it can be quite frustrating. This issue may arise due to a faulty power cable or internal components that have worn out over time. If left unrepaired, you could miss out on the efficient cleaning power your Dyson provides, leading to a build-up of dirt and dust in your home. To get started with the repair, you will need a few tools, a screwdriver set, a replacement cable specifically for the Dyson HD01, and possibly some electrical tape to secure connections. First, ensure your Dyson is unplugged to avoid any risk of electric shock. Carefully locate the screws on the back of the device. Using the appropriate screwdriver, remove these screws while keeping them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the casing, being cautious not to damage any clips or surrounding components. Inside, you will spot the power cable connected to the main board. This is likely the culprit. Carefully disconnect the cable by unfastening any clips or screws securing it in place. Take your replacement cable and connect it in the same manner as the old one was attached. Make sure to secure it tightly, ensuring that no wires are left exposed. Remember to reconnect any clips or screws you previously removed. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is secured, replace the casing by aligning it properly and fastening the screws back in. Ensure everything is snug and check that no cables are pinched in the process. Now, plug your Dyson back in and give it a test run. It should start without issues if all connections are secure. To avoid similar problems in the future, make sure to store your Dyson in a place where the cable won't be damaged, and regularly inspect it for any signs of wear and tear. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.